Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this TFlexCam training course, and the topic for today will be the machining simulator now on the 3D side. Maybe on the 3D side it's more obvious, but basically what we want when we have something calculated and do the machining simulation, it's pretty much the same as on the 2D side. So machining simulation, you'll go to this environment where the part and the toolpath are shown. This is the same graphical appearance as on the 2D. Under properties, you have pretty much the same options also that on the 2D side, and basically you do the play and you'll get the program going like you can see here. Sometimes it's more obvious on this side, but the functions are pretty much the same. So any questions about this topic, let us know in case of help you may need.